Creating and submitting a retrofit lighting project using the Online Lighting Calculator, Part 3, Creating Areas and Adding Measures in Mint. This is the third of 6 videos that cover the application process for a retrofit lighting project in BPA's Online Lighting Calculator. It starts from the end of video 2. This video steps through the process for adding areas, existing items, and recommended items in the Mint portion of the OLC. To complete these steps, you'll need to have a user account for the OLC and have installed the OLC's Mint application on your laptop or tablet. Step 1. As shown in video 2 of this series, you've just completed the building info section of the project you're working on in Mint and returned to the project overview screen. Now click on the Items button. Step 2. You'll need to add an area for each section of the building being retrofit. For example, in a warehouse, you might have distinct lighting fixtures, HVAC systems, and/or hours of operation for the lobby, offices, storage area, and bathrooms. To add an area, move the area slider in the upper left to the right, and it will turn green. Click on the plus sign in the lower right corner to add an area. Step 3. Choose and enter the name of the area. Note, you have complete control of your naming conventions for areas, so being specific will help with identifying project details for those who will review the project later. For this video, we'll name the first area Office. Step 4. After creating and naming the area, click the plus sign across from Lighting Existing. This will open a new screen, and the name will initially show as Lighting Existing in Office. This name can be edited, and if more than one retrofit will be happening in the office area, it's recommended that details that would help someone identify the fixtures, such as fixture type, in lamp type, or count, are added to the description. For the video, we'll use existing 3-lamp troffers in office. Step 5. Enter all the general information for the existing lighting equipment, including type, deemed or standard, and quantity. Then enter the class, category, subcategory, lamp wattage, and lamps per fixture. Note, all of these have pull-down menus that mirror those used in BPA's legacy LC 6.0 lighting calculator. For this video, we'll do a T8 to LED retrofit. Note, the ballast factor and other sections are automatically opened after the top sections are completed. Step 6. If applicable, check the Control checkbox and then enter the controls details such as occupancy sensors. Enter the control class using the pull-down menu options, quantity of controls, and % reduction in hours. Note, this is where we're defining the controls measure, meaning controls expected to reduce operating hours beyond the controls that were there previously. So, click that checkbox if adding controls as part of the project. For this video, we'll add an occupancy sensor that is expected to reduce full-time hours by 10%. Step 7. If applicable, check the different HVAC and/or different hours checkbox and enter the appropriate information. You only need to enter this information at the measures level if it differs from the HVAC and hours you entered in the building information. Step 8. When all of the existing information is complete, click the Recommend button in the lower left corner. This will open a new section where all the replacement information will be entered. The name will initially appear as lighting replacement, and as with the existing items, it's recommended to add words to help distinguish the item. For example, LED troffer replacement in office. Enter all the same equipment information as for the existing section, including type, deemed or non-standard, and quantity. Then enter the class, category, subcategory, lamp wattage, and lamps per fixture. Note, if this is a decommissioning project, click that checkbox and then the quantity being decommissioned. You can also add comments or further description in the notes field by clicking on New Note, typing in the notes field, and then clicking Done. Step 9. When done, click the Done button in the lower right corner and Mint will return to the page seen originally. If an entry was made in error, click on the three dots to the right of the name of the retrofit and click on the Remove bar and re-enter the information as needed. Step 10. Repeat adding areas, existing, and recommended details as needed. Using the area at the top of the item screen, you can toggle the view to show information organized by area or just as a list of fixtures. When everything has been entered, return to the main screen via the white arrow in the upper left corner. In the next video, part 4, we'll go over how to generate project-level reports and sync projects and reports back to the cloud. If you have any questions, please contact your energy efficiency representative, visit the Online Lighting Calculator page, or email us at lighting@bpa.gov.